All right, now that we have the back all off of our lock, let's explore and see what's inside here. Might need a little something in there to pull this back plate off, but it comes right out, as you can see. And what we have here is 3 discs. It's 1, 2, 3. And each of these discs have a little notch on them. And so there's one under here too. And what these 3 discs does, when you're spinning this one around, the notch moves and everything, and the groove and the notch, everything moves in sync. But what's not as in sync is where the notches are at. But the little tabs that's on the disc here, they're what's different. Those are what's going to set your code. Now you turn it all the way to the right to reset your lock, right? And everything turns at the same time. So you get this bottom disc set first. Then you turn it to the left and get that second one set. And the third number is going to be the number on the front of your combination. This third disc is the last number in the combination. So it's easy to figure out what that is, because all you have to do is look at that one. You can look at that with it being off. To find those 2 out is hard. You got to look in those holes to figure it out. But with the first number, it's easy. And you can't see this bottom one through the holes anyway. So you look at that, line it up, because what you need here is this groove right here needs to be able to go slide into the groove that's on the disc. So this can turn, this piece right here can turn. It pivots right off of this piece right here, it pivots. And it's spring loaded, so it'll pop back in place. And what this part is right here, once the lock is open and you push back down on it, this right here will give those discs a spin and then reset the combination, because without that, the disc will just sit there with the combination still set, and you can always open the lock. Now, with that being like that, let's get that combination set right. So we see that there. You see our number is a 14. So you get that number 14 set on there, and pull you out. It opens the lock up. And when all those tumblers are set in there, all those discs, remember I said this right here is going to reset your lock. Push that in and it gives those a spin and reset the lock, and you start all over again. Okay, we can see all the tumblers, and I mean all the discs in here now. So let's reset them all. And let's get the first one lined up. Turn it to the left. Get the second one lined up. And now we're going to turn the third one to get it lined up. Like that there. And the lock will open. But the notches are not supposed to be lined up on this side. I just did that to show you guys. What's going to be hard to see is you got to line the notches up right inside of there. So you can give that a try if you want. That's one. Can't tell if that's 2 for sure without good lighting. But anyway, that's how it's done. If you want to figure out that combination.